Hi buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Emporia Tablet and together we're going to go ahead and look where and how we can enable and disable the vibration on this tablet. It has a pretty intense haptic feedback and the vibration sound is pretty loud. Maybe that annoys you something and you want to know where you can turn it off, and for this we need to go to all apps and then scroll down to settings, and when we click on it we can scroll down to sound, and here we have some general settings: the media volume, call volume, ring and notification volume, and the alarm volume. And here we have vibrate for calls, never vibrate. You can set that to always vibrate or vibrate first then ring gradually. And when we scroll down a little further, we have the shortcut to prevent ringing on its own vibrate. You can also say mute. Here you have other sounds and vibrations. You have the dial pad ringtone, the screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration. You have touch sounds and touch vibration, haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more. That's what we would like to turn off. And now that it's disabled, you can just go back and then your tablet won't vibrate anymore or don't give you any, well, haptic feedback. So that's how you can turn on and off the vibration on your Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.